Hello, and welcome back to LearnUp English.
We are so happy you are here. I'm Emma and this is Jake.
Today, we have a very tasty lesson for you. We are learning English at the restaurant.
Yes, this is super important. When you travel, when you meet friends, you need to know how to order food and how to ask for the bill.
We will practice everything with slow, clear English. We'll have fun role plays too.
So, grab a snack, stay until the end for our quiz, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you are ready to learn.
Let's start learning.
Let's go.
Okay, so you walk into the restaurant. What do you say?
Most of the time, the waiter or waitress will ask you a question. They will say, "How many people?"
That's right. How many people means how many people are in your group?
Maybe it's 2 people. You can say, "2, please."
Let's try that again. How many people? You say, 2, please.
Very simple. You can also say, "A table for 2, please."
A little longer but very polite. A table for 2, please.
Now, maybe you need to ask them for a table. You can ask, "Do you have a table for 4?"
Excuse me, do you have a table for 3?
Yes, right this way. Easy. You sit down. Now, you need the menu.
Usually, they bring it to you. But if you need to ask, you can say, "Can I see the menu, please?"
Repeat after me. Can I see the menu, please? One more time, slowly. Can I see the menu, please?
Good. Remember to always say, please. It makes your English sound much better.
Now for the fun part. The waiter comes back and says, "Are you ready to order?"
Or sometimes, what would you like? The best way to order is to use the phrase, I'd like.
I'd like is short for I would like. It is very polite.
So, you want a hamburger. You say, I'd like a hamburger, please.
Simple. I'd like a big salad. I'd like a big salad, please.
Let's practice that key phrase. Everyone, say it with me. I'd like.
Good. I'd like a coffee, please.
Another great way to order is, can I have?
Can I have the soup of the day? This is a little more direct, but still polite.
Let's practice, can I have?
Can I have the pasta? Good job.
Hello. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'd like the chicken sandwich, please.
And for you?
Can I have the fish and chips?
Very natural. Now, sometimes the waiter will ask you about the side dish.
Yes, like, would you like fries or a salad with that?
Fries are like French chips. You can say, I'll take the fries, thank you.
I'll take the fries. The L is short for will. I will take.
Let's do one more practice. Listen closely.
What would you like to drink?
I'd like a glass of water, please.
Would you like ice with that?
No, thank you. Just water. Notice how simple and direct the answers are. Okay, you are eating. Everything is good. But wait, you need more water, or you need the salt.
You need the waiter's attention. Don't shout.
Gently raise your hand and say, Excuse me.
Excuse me. This is very important. Then you ask your question.
You can use our phrase again. Excuse me, can I have some more water?
Or, excuse me, can I have the salt? Remember, can I have? Works for asking for food and asking for things on the table.
What if there is a small problem? Your knife is on the floor.
You can say, excuse me, I dropped my fork. Could I have a new one?
Could I have? Is the most polite way. Let's try that. Could I have a new fork?
Great. Now, what if the food is not correct? This is difficult, but we can do it simply.
You point to the plate and say clearly, but kindly, Excuse me, this is not my order.
That's it. Clear and direct. This is not my order. No need for long sentences. One time, I ordered fish, but they brought me chicken. I was so hungry. I said to the waiter, "Excuse me, I think I asked for the fish, not the chicken. Is that possible?" And he said, "Oh, sorry," and fixed it right away.
That's a great example. You used a nice, soft question. Is that possible?
See? English is easy when you use simple words.
You are finished eating. Time to pay. This piece of paper with the money you owe is called the bill. In the US, they sometimes say the check.
We will use bill. It's used everywhere. Again, say, excuse me.
The simplest way to ask for it is, the bill, please.
Everyone, repeat. The bill, please. One more time. The bill, please.
Very good. A longer, more polite way is, "Could we have the bill, please?"
We are asking for the bill for us for we, so we say we and have. Could we have the bill, please?
Now the waiter brings the bill. You look at it. You need to know, "Can I pay by card?"
Or, do you take credit card? They mean the same thing. Card means credit card or bank card.
Let's practice card pronunciation. Card. Can I pay by card?
If you are paying with money, you can ask, can I pay with cash? Cash is paper money or coins.
Usually, the waiter will say, "Yes, of course."
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
"Yes, I'll bring it right over. Here you are."
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
"Yes, of course."
See? You just had a full conversation at a restaurant. Great job!
Now, let's look at the 4 most important phrases from today. Say them with me.
Number 1. When you order food, I'd like a pizza, please. I'd like a pizza, please.
Number 2. When you need something from the waiter, "Excuse me, can I have a napkin?" "Excuse me, can I have a napkin?"
Number 3. If the food is wrong, excuse me, this is not my order. This is not my order.
And number 4. When you want to pay, "The bill, please. The bill, please."
Fantastic! You are ready to eat out.
It's quiz time. No pressure. Just try your best.
We will say a situation. You say the correct English phrase.
Situation 1. You walk into the restaurant with 3 friends. How do you ask for a seat?
Pause for 3 seconds. The best answer is, a table for 4, please. Did you get it right?
Situation 2. You need more water. What do you say to the waiter?
Pause for 3 seconds. You can say, excuse me, can I have some more water?
Situation 3. You want to pay with your credit card. What do you ask?
Pause for 3 seconds. The best question is, can I pay by card?
Excellent job, everyone. We hope this lesson helped you feel confident about speaking English at a restaurant.
You learned to order, ask for things, and pay the bill. You did an amazing job today.
Remember, repetition is key. Watch this video again later this week to practice your listening and speaking.
Now for your challenge.
Your viewer challenge today is in the comments.
Imagine you are at a restaurant right now. What would you like to order? Write a comment using the phrase, I'd like.
Yes. Tell us. "I'd like a big hamburger and a small coffee, please." We will read your comments and check your English.
Don't forget to like this video, comment on what you ordered, and subscribe to LearnUp English for more easy lessons.
You are doing great. Keep learning. We'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.
Bye.